Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. So first, before I start cash stuffing those, I wanted to share some freebies with y'all. So here we have some freebies by Vicky Thinks. Lots of ones in on this page, and these are in her Kofi. We have some by Six Girls Budget, butterfly ones. Very pretty. These ones are also by Vicky Thinks. Little spring frogs and flowers. Look at this cute birthday one. Oh my goodness, so cute. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are having a great Tuesday so far. Okay, we have some Valentine's ones. These ones are by Angela Marie. Lots of Valentine's ones. And little groundhogs for Groundhog Day. Did y'all ever watch that movie, Groundhog Day? My family watched that growing up, and every time it's Groundhog Day, I quote like the first line on the radio. Okay, these ones are by Printable by Woods. This came with the little two minis with penguins on them as well. So little minis, or little tiny ones with those, so cute. This one is by CBA Mom Saves. We have little snowmen, winter ones, gingerbread, snowflakes and ice skates. Ooh, I'm running out of space. Let me move these up. Okay. These are by me. This was my thank you for 200 subscribers. I frog and love you guys. The little glasses one. I love this one because I'm a French teacher. These are also by me, tiny Valentine cupcakes. So let me actually just flip through them. There we go. These are on my Kofi. Okay, we have these ones by High Country Budgeting. Oh, I love this hippo one and her little tutu. Oh, so cute. Okay, so we have those guys. Adorable. Okay. Oh, so many guys today. We have these by Happy Budgeting Mom, and I will link all of these below for y'all so you can find them. This one is by CBA Mom Saves as well. This came with a mini and these 4 tinies. Very cute. And then this one is by She's Simply Joyful. I just started following her, and this had 2 mini ones and this tiny one. Very cute little sloths. And then we have these by Windmill Ridge Budgets, the little snowmen. And this was actually a set of, it was 2 pages. So there were 4 more, but I just printed these off for now. So those ones. Okay, guys, and look at all these freebies. Oh my goodness. So go get these. I will link them below for you. So many tinies. I'm so excited because I've been trying to find more tinies. So I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. I almost forgot, y'all. I am in a collaboration. I didn't forget that I'm in a collaboration, but I almost forgot to show you these. I'm in a collaboration with Vicky Thinks. She also has a budgeting channel. So if you're not familiar with her, please go subscribe to her. She's amazing. She's so sweet. And we are collaborating together. So there's these 2 little tinies that I'm going to use one of them today. So go grab those. They are in our Kofi shops. I have $30 here today, guys, and we're going to just roll our little die. I'm going to roll it on this book. Okay, and then I will go over all of these challenges once we finish rolling. Okay, so whichever challenge gets, whatever I roll, that's the challenge that gets the dollar. All right, number 6, number 3, number 6, oops, number 6. I hope y'all are having an amazing week. We are getting so close to February. Oh man, number 6. It's throwing me off that these are set up this way. Number 6 again. Do you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day? What are y'all going to be doing? Some self-love, if you're not in a relationship, is highly recommended. And even if you are, my boyfriend and I are just going to go have dinner at one of my favorite restaurants. And I need to get him a little gift. I'm not sure what to get him yet. Number 4. I almost put that in the wrong spot, guys. Number 4 again. Number 5. Number 6. I think number 6 is our winner today, y'all. And number 3. Okay, so starting out with number 6, let's see how much we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's make each of these $2. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. All right, nice. Do you guys prefer minis or tinies? I think I prefer tinies. I love minis too, but tinies is just easy wins. And I don't know, I just feel like they're so fun. And it's motivating for me to have those quick turnarounds. All right, so this one, Excellent Savings by Canadian Finance Journey, got $2. 1, 2 here. So 1 and 2. And we are going to be done with that one soon. So it currently has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should have 7. Okay, I think I got messed up here, which happens a lot. Okay, the next one, yes, that's correct. Okay, so this one got 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is by Canadian Finance Journey as well. I will link all of these below as well so y'all can see where they're at and go grab them. Okay, this one we needed 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's no bueno. That's not good. Okay, so 2, and let's see if I can grab $1 somewhere. Yes, I can. There we go. Okay, so that one has 5 and that one's all done. And this is going towards entertainment. So let's see how much we have in here. I'm gonna all right, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. I'm actually going to sub it out for this 10. Okay. So wonderful. We have that completed. Yay. All right. The next challenge is by Miss Vicky at Vicky Thinks. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to finish this one too. How exciting. we should have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, sorry. So as I was saying, I think I ended up saving an extra $1 in this one, so we'll just set that aside for a different challenge. But we finished this one, so that's great. And this is going towards self-care. And actually, I'm gonna grab this 10. All right, so that we don't have to condense later. Thank you, Vicki, for this challenge. All right, and then we will start this other one that Vicki and I are doing together in our collab. So this one just got half of a circle because we're doing each as 2. Okay, and then lastly, we have this one by Bookish Mama Budgets. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to add. And that will give us 9. There we go. All right, guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.